Hi, I'm here with Mark, technical marketing engineer for Azure Stack from HPE, and I have the chance to ask you some questions, right?
Sure, absolutely.
So my biggest question I have is, why would a customer buy Azure Stack from HPE? What makes you unique?
Okay, that's a great question. So I think what makes Hewlett-Packard Enterprise unique is the configurability of the solution. HP offers multiple options for CPU, RAM, storage, and networking so that we can actually consult with you up front, configure a solution that meets your requirements for your workload. You're not stuck into purchasing 4 nodes or 8 nodes or 12. Why should you purchase 12 nodes if you only need 8 or 9? So we can actually customize the solution. I think the other new feature that you need to really be aware of is the silicon root of trust, which is a way that we protect your environment against hackers and intruders right at the BIOS and firmware level. So we burn that in at the factory. Every time the system boots up, it checks the integrity of the firmware and the BIOS so that we ensure that your environment never gets hacked. And if we do see any issues, we raise alerts so that you can resolve them immediately.
Okay, yeah, that's awesome.
So I have a question for you. With GDPR now coming out in Europe and across the countries, how do you think Azure Stack is going to help with resolving those issues with country privacy and user privacy?
Yeah. So that's an absolutely great question because we get that question a lot, right? So Azure Stack allows you to position your Azure, your cloud basically wherever you want it. So you can keep it in-house, you can keep it in your country, you can make Azure available in the countries you don't have it, right?
Right.
And that's a huge advantage. If you look at GDPR, where we always need to be sure where is your data stored, where is your customer's data stored, Azure Stack completely addresses that and makes your life and the company's life easier.
Awesome. Awesome. Thanks very much, Thomas.